Today we're taking a look at the OTTOCAST P3 Pro AI box, a powerful upgrade that transforms your factory car screen into a full Android entertainment system. This device supports wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, making daily driving more convenient and completely cable-free. The P3 Pro runs on Android TV and is powered by the Snapdragon 6225 processor, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. This hardware combination delivers fast boot times, smooth multitasking, and reliable performance for navigation, streaming, and apps. With access to the Google Play Store, you can download apps like YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, and navigation apps directly to your car screen. The AI voice assistant allows you to control navigation, audio, calls, and even check the weather, completely hands-free, so you stay focused on the road. The system uses OttoDrive OS 2.0 or 3.0, featuring a clean and user-friendly interface with automatic day and night modes. Dual-band Wi-Fi ensures stable connectivity, while Bluetooth handles calls, audio, and device pairing smoothly. Installation is simple and plug-and-play using HDMI, with no dashboard modifications required. It works with iOS 14 and above and Android 10 and above, making it compatible with most modern smartphones.